Hello everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. At a commercial account that we do actual general cleanup, vacuuming and dusting and cleaning their bathrooms. This is a place in my hometown here, Oakdale, California. We clean it weekly, and I'm talking about like taking out the trash and regular vacuuming, not carpet cleaning. Just so you're not thinking, oh my gosh, look how bad this is in a week. No, we actually started out as a regular cleaning client. Like our house cleaning division takes care of their bathrooms and takes out the trash and everything for them weekly. And this is our first time doing the carpets for them. As you can see, they're pretty bad. There's a lot of traffic through here, so naturally that's going to happen. I am not sure the last time they had them cleaned was. If I had to take a guess, I'd probably say it's been at least 3 to 5 years. Just a guess though. But this is a main walk path where probably just about everybody comes through. So it is the worst one. So I'm just doing really slow passes, couple in each section. And then come back and do dry afterwards. But just wanted to show you guys what we are up to today. I actually have to be to my city's Christmas parade. We're in it. And if you're watching this the day of, like when I get this uploaded later tonight, on December 7th, I believe today is, if I'm not mistaken, then I have at this moment about an hour and a half until I gotta be to the lineup position for the parade. So I'll be driving my van through it, and we'll be handing out some candy canes and some little cards that have discounts on them for people that are first-time clients. A little something for them. So I don't have much left. I only have a little office to my right and this rest of this entryway. But just wanted to do a quick video, show you guys what I'm up to. We've been doing this account for, gosh, I think 6 or 7 months. So they are an advertising company called Oakdale Leader. They do a magazine called 209 Magazine, and a bunch of different publications. So we barter with them since we're local here with them. So we exchange services with them and help each other out. That's the way it should be in certain situations. If you like to support your local businesses, if you are one and you could do something that helps somebody else and they could do something that benefits you as well, sometimes it's worth doing that, especially if you're an owner operator like I am. So I'm just more or less exchanging my time and my product, but in this case it's, you know, in the long run much cheaper because it just boils down to my time as far as the exchange rate goes. So we just do a dollar for dollar exchange, and they do the ad stuff for me, so put me in their magazine and other publications to get my business's name out there in different areas of my 209, I guess you could say, 209 area code. So people that get these magazines, newspapers and whatnot, you know, there's still people out there that don't use the internet much, and so don't know who to look for. except for maybe a name that is familiar to them, and they might want to try somebody new. So this will get me in front of them in another way outside of social media. So it's beneficial to diversify a little bit. As last time they ran some ads for us, I did get some leads off of it that turned into jobs. So doing it again, except on a larger scale, because the carpet cleaning is a much bigger job than the weekly cleanings that we do for them. So as you can see, wow, look at the change. This carpet is pretty old too, from my understanding. I think they've been in here for quite a while. Probably at least 15, 20 years would be my guess on the time they've actually been here. Maybe longer. I'd have to check with the manager, but if I'm not mistaken, he said around that time frame. So this carpet's gotten a lot of use and a lot of wear. So you can see my fan right there in the left corner by the counter, doing some drying down a main walk path there. So I just got to do this little office and then this rest of this entry, and then I'm out of here. So not much more to go, but I wanted to show you guys what's going on. I appreciate your time if you watched all of this. My name is Nolan. This is Black Diamond Services. If you are in our area and you like what you see and want to see how we can serve you, don't hesitate to give us a call, 209-264-8898. If you'd like some references, you can look us up on Google or on Facebook. Lots of recommendations and reviews on there, so you can generate your own opinion based on other people's thoughts on our company as well. So we're more than happy to earn everybody's business, do free estimates first, so that way you can see if we're a good fit for you, and then we'll go from there. So thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day, and if I don't get any more videos from here until then, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. Bye.